In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Roblox from kicking you out after 20 minutes. Now, there's multiple methods that we could use. You could obviously use a fancy auto clicker if you do want, where it will basically automatically click on your mouse and basically make it so that you're not AFK or anything like that. So there's many great ones out there like OP auto clicker or GS auto clicker. But if you guys want something a little bit more simpler, then I recommend that you guys use this next method, and that is to use a physical weight or input. So what you could do is you could put any weight on like your keyboard. You could put on the space bar, for example, and it can literally be anything as long as it does press down on the keyboard. So obviously you don't want to do anything too heavy, but you just want to make sure that it is enough so it can push down your keyboard and make it so that you're able to jump over and over again. And that is going to prevent you from getting kicked out because you are no longer going to be AFK. And you could use whatever items lying around in your house. You could use like a coffee mug, a Lego brick, basically anything that has weight. It will get the job done. And what's great about this is that there is no software needed and you are not going to get banned or anything like that, because sometimes Roblox games literally just ban you if you do have an auto clicker. So even though an auto clicker is like the more sophisticated method, it certainly isn't the best one out there. And that's why I prefer just using a physical weight or input in order to press down on like your keyboard, for example, or on your mouse, or if you're using a mobile device, or you could even do this on a mobile device as well, but you will need to use a different type of material like a stylus or something like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.